Meron pong isang rule about relationships. Isa lang. People are capable of showing up exactly how they are right now. Yan lang. People can only meet you to the extent that they've met themselves. Ano yon? Kung ang isang tao ay walang ginawa o walang ginagawa to address their past is in their present. And yung past na yon ay lilitaw sa present relationship mo ngayon. Pag di mo pa inaral o inayos na ma-resolve ang isang gusot in a matured way, they're not gonna resolve a conflict in a mature way with you. Kung ang isang tao ay hindi pa natuto na maging honest sa sarili nila, hindi rin po sila magiging honest with you. Hindi niya alam to talk about their feelings. Hindi niya rin magagawa yun with you. Kailangan aralin mo para maging less controlling ka, to let people be themselves. You'll know how to make better choices in life, how to spend time with people in your life.